Yeah, just having downpour of the rain right now. I'm just enjoying it. Reminds me of my childhood days. When it was raining this hard when I was a kid, we usually climb up trees that got fruits. You know, usually guavas. For you Filipino kids, you know what aratilis is? Yeah, I usually pick that when it's raining like this. Heavy downpour like this. And when you were a kid in the 90s, you know that when it's raining like this, power is gonna be cut off as well. So yeah, pretty much that's what's gonna happen. But that ain't happening now. I mean, people are gonna go crazy if you got your power right now, just because of a torrential downpour like this. Anyways, yeah, it's just fun. Oh, and what did you guys do when it was raining this hard when you were a kid? Me, I was climbing up trees like these. The ones in my backyard, you know, mangoes. You got a guava tree. Yeah, so that's a guava tree. Now as a kid, of course, I was small then. I used to climb those things. For me, they were big. It was fun. It was fun. So yeah. What's your trip down memory lane? I mean, how do you usually spend the rainy days like this? I like doing this, so yeah.